Right, so what I'm going to be doing is trying to clean up this old glass antique knob, and we have a little surprise on what we're going to do. The first thing we have to do is really just get it cleaned up, and I've got a wire brush. I've got another wire brush on standby if I can, and I want to see if I can clean that paint off without using any kind of chemicals or things like that. So we're going to try to get you the best shot as possible in here. Let's flip this thing on. Let me get our safety glasses on. We're going to work this around on that brass. These are made out of brass. These obviously came out of the 1940s because that's when her house was built that I remodeled a number of years ago. Been a while. And she's got little things left that she wants me to do. She's all the time asking me to do a few things. That's okay. That's what dads are for. Yeah, that's turning out there. Get it up there close for you. Let you take a look. So far, so good. And the thing about antique pieces and what we're making, it don't have to be perfect. It's supposed to look antique. I'm all the time trying to stay busy doing things. Keeps the old mind healthy and occupied. Keeps your body in line. You always have something to do. You always got something to look forward to. And I enjoy working. I'm not normal at all. A lot of people don't care much about working, but I like to work. I don't like to work for other people, but I like to work. I like working for myself. I had a business years ago, back in the late 1990s, early 2000s. Did a little jewelry repair, sold a little jewelry. So I've got a little bit of experience on cleaning up some things. I'm going to take some of those skills I learned there and sort of apply to this little special project. Now, I'm not going into a whole lot of detail on what I'm going to do, other than say this is going to be a decorative item when I get through, and it's also going to be useful. Also, sort of like one of them fancy little knobs somebody buys, hang up on the wall to hang stuff. I think it's to give you a hint as to what I'm going to make out of it. How shiny that's turning. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge getting down on this glass right in there. Right in there, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I think I'm up to it. Turn that off. That's looking pretty good. I don't know if that brass hurt that glass or not. We're going to find out. Little spot. See what happens to it. Yeah, it's digging it off pretty good. It's not marring up that material. I have no idea what that's made from. They call them glass knobs, but I don't know if that's glass. Might very well be. Might be a particular form of it. I'll have to do a little research on that, maybe learn something. I'm all about learning new things. We're going to give this a change. Oh, glass. I was thinking about maybe doing a live, seeing how that worked out on YouTube. I'm new to YouTube. Don't know that much about it, but I'm learning. The bad thing about getting a little age on your eyes have a tendency to go bad. Uh, have difficulty seeing, especially with big particular safety glasses on. Your eyes are real important. You learn that the older you get, the more you come to that realization. Doc's watching my eyes for cataracts and all of that. So we'll be getting that done here in the next couple of years. Probably. All kinds of things going on. Some little spots right around the ear. Just try to get We're going to break these videos down into sections. Today's section is going to be polishing off the majority of this paint that's accumulated over the years. Anyway, pop here, dig down in that corner. Hang on. My daughter gave me some chemicals to use to get that paint off. I swear I hate using that stuff. I'd rather spend a little extra time with the polisher. There may be some special formula or something somewhere that makes it a little easier. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Right down in those seams and cracks. That just turned out nice. Yeah, that turned out nice. Well, there I am in my safety glasses. We'll see you later.